All right, so we need to look at what are the rules for converting customary units and length. So we have to convert feet to inches. So if we have 1 foot, okay, that's like having one ruler. How many inches is that? So you would have to determine that that is 12 inches. So if you're going from feet to inches, you're going to multiply by 12 because feet are bigger. So if you have 1 foot, you have 12 inches. If I have 2 feet, I'm going to have 24 inches. If I have 3 feet, I have 36 inches. So it's just repeated addition, but it's the same thing as multiplication. All right. Now, if you're going miles to feet, okay, well, looking at our chart here, if 1 mile equals 5,280 feet, that means 2 miles, we would just have to do 5,280 times 2. 3 multiplied by 3. So we're continuously multiplying by the 5,280. So we're going to drag it on up. All right. So if you're going from feet to yards, well, we know that there's 3 feet in 1 yard. So if 3 feet is in one, I'm sorry, if there's 3 feet in 1 yard, we have to figure and think that we're going to be multiplying by 3. If you're going from inches to yards, well, we know that there is 12 inches in 1 foot, and we know that there's 3 feet in 1 yard. So if I'm doing 3 and 12, I know that that would be sitting here saying 12 plus 12 plus 12, which is the same thing as multiplying 12 by 3. So, well, 12 plus 12 plus 12 is 36, so we're multiplying by 36. If you're going miles to yards, well, if we're looking at our chart, in 1 mile, there's 5,280 feet. I'm sorry, if in 1 mile, there's 1,760 yards. So from miles to yards, you are going to be sitting here multiplying by 1,760. And then if you're going to go feet to miles, well, feet to miles, there's 5,280 feet in 1 mile. So that means you are going to sit here and you're going to divide by 5,280. Right? If you're going from yards to feet, you're going to have to divide by 3. Yards to inches, you're going to divide by 1,760. And then inches to feet. So if you have 12 inches and you're trying to figure out 1 foot, you're going to divide it by 12. Right? So there is your comparison for your customary units of length.